Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Dodge Durango. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always park your Durango on a level, firm surface like concrete and ensure the parking brake is fully engaged. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the tires that will remain on the ground. Have your floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and your owner's manual ready. Now let's find the correct jacking points. For the front, look for the sturdy frame rails located just behind the front wheels. In the rear, you can typically use the solid rear axle housing or the frame rails near the rear wheels. It's always best to consult your Durango's owner's manual for precise, manufacturer-recommended locations. Avoid jacking on the suspension or thin body panels. With your jack points identified, it's time to lift. Position your floor jack directly and squarely under the chosen lift point. Begin slowly raising the vehicle by pumping the jack handle. Continue lifting until the tire you're working on is a few inches off the ground. Immediately place 2 sturdy jack stands securely under the frame rails, then gently lower the vehicle onto them for stability. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower your Durango. First, use your floor jack to slightly raise the vehicle just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove both jack stands from their positions. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle all the way down to the ground. Finally, remove your floor jack and any wheel chocks you used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.